Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Lonza Machinery. Today we are loading the 2 units of a diesel engine drum wood chipper to Sri Lanka. As you can see, this is the complete unit of wood chipper. It fits with the high capacity diesel engine, 200 horsepower, and this is the oil tank. And the green one is the 30 kilowatts generator. It generates the electricity to all the electric motors. As you can see, this chipper with 6 wheels, 6 moving wheels, easy for you to move this chipper to different forest plants. And this machine with 6 meters input conveyor and an 8 meters output conveyor, and this output conveyor is controlled by hydraulic system. It can up and down very easily. This wood chipper also with an electric control system from here, CE certified Lonza Machinery with all English language operation manual. This one is the hydraulic system, control the discharge conveyors, and this wood chipper with the high capacity, 10 to 12 tons per hour, grind the wood logs, wood branches, and wood waste into small wood chips, 2 or 4 centimeters. As you can see, that it's the complete unit, easy for in order for easy loading. We disassemble the output conveyor and put on the top of input hopper, and this is the belts. We pull together, and this wood chipper need an 40 feet high cube container for loading. And we have already finished loading 1 unit of wood chipper. As you can see that okay, thanks for watching this video. Welcome for inquiry to Lonza Machinery. We will supply you the best service and the most competitive price.